almond, soy, oat. There you go. Most of us are still drinking milk. Very simply, do you want more or less public holidays? More? Or less? Yeah, good on you. Yeah, good on you. As if. A little bit of housekeeping before we get going. If you need the bathroom, and when I say bathroom, there are no shower facilities. It's purely just wheeze. And they are at the back and around underneath the steps that many people are standing on now. As well, if you need to refill your water bottles, and I'm of course obviously just talking to the people here at the City Opera House forecourt at the moment, but right here, if you're getting thirsty, and I know you will by the end of tonight because you'll be cheering and clapping and so on, there are some water bubblers just around the corner as you came in there. There is also, obviously it's a no smoking space here. If you need to do that, then see a doctor, but also you need to leave and head out towards Circular Quay more. Beware of the moving cameras. This big gym here, this big pole with a camera on, it's called a gym. And that will move over your head, so watch yourselves for people down here. But the staff here are fantastic, so they'll look after you there. People sitting on the stairs, hello, make a noise. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Do watch out. If the stairs here, it actually drops down. It's only a small gap, but it's perfect for your phones. So just keep checking, you're bending down there and accidentally falls down behind you there. All good. Now, put your hand up and make some noise if you're wearing a wristband that we gave you on your way in. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. They are fantastic, and what they will be doing is turning on with various colours over the concert. From 7:30 till 9:30 is the concert, by the way, and they will be turning on. You don't have to do anything to them, it's all automatic. But most importantly, understand this, it doesn't work when you leave this area here. So we will ask you to hand it to our volunteers as you leave at the end of the night. They won't open your friend's remote control TV, it won't get the garage door open, it won't stop the cat from barking, or the dog from barking. It won't do anything, so it's no good for you, so give them back to us at the end of the concert there. Let me check on other things now. If you are a bit peckish, now that you've found your chairs, Golzeme is over there as well. Emmy's Turkish Golzeme is available, just as the food trucks over there. Agapi Organic, another choice. Fritz Weiner, German sausage, al fresco gelato and coffee, and there is a bar as well. So we're leading on towards feeling not so well. We've got some fantastic first aid people, part of our volunteers. Again, if you can make your way around a number of steps, you'll find them and they'll look after you. And if for some reason you can't get to them, then wave down many of our fantastic security people and they will look after you. Okay. I don't have, now what I am looking for are 4 people who think they'd be pretty good at a quiz about Australia. Who thinks they might? Lady there, you hand up, yes. I'll ask you to join me over there. Hello, hello. I'll ask you to join me over there for a minute. Stay where you are. Someone else, someone else, someone else. The person in the white. Yes, you, yes. If you're perhaps bring an adult with you and come join me over there in a little minute. Anyone over here? I'm sorry, darling, I need to get you up here. I've got 2 women, I'm looking for 2 guys. Any gentlemen here? Yes, sir. Excellent. You can join me over here in just a minute, that will do. And one guy, someone representing the older generation, perhaps. Someone who really knows what this country is. Any volunteers? Any volunteers? Wave. Wave. You on the snout? Yes, Mr. Tony, blue shirt. Yes, sir, yes. Stand up, if you will. Yeah, cool. Stand up now so I can see you. Yes, good on you. We know who you are. Stay there now. I'll call you over in a second. Stay there now. Hearing impairment. Stay there now. Good man. Thank you. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, our 3 hosts tonight, Jeremy, John, and Megan, are hosting the show. And in a moment, Jeremy's been out there. In fact, he's over here. He's now doing a live show up there. Jeremy Fernandez is about to do a cross through the ABC. Inviting everyone who's watching the ABC to keep watching for our show at 7:30. So with an hello, Jeremy, please wave for Jeremy Fernandez, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, good. Nice. And he's waving back. He's going to do a cross in a moment, telling the world to keep watching for 7:30. I need to be quiet while that's happening. So I'll leave you in just a moment while he does that cross, and then I'll be back with a fantastic performance. While they're getting ready, ladies and gentlemen, put your hand, I don't like putting your hands up, I like noise. Make some noise if you're a family and friend of our 110 New South Wales Schools Choir up here. Yeah! Hello everyone. They did a fantastic job last night in rehearsal. They have been so important tonight. I'll be quiet as we do this across. I'll see you later.
여기 안에였지. 일로 와봐.
Don't go so fast or you lose me.
Like, I'm so easy. I feel like in the grand scheme of things, like food is by music and like feeling.